Hi everyone, I hope you are fine. You know, every day there are 8.5 billion searches on Google. It means that all people in the world at least once a day search something in Google. And that is not a small talk. And the most amazing thing is this is completely free. And not only Google, but all products of Google are completely free to use. Watching videos on YouTube is free. Using Gmail is free. Google Map using is free. Despite providing all of this for free, Google's market cap is more than $2 trillion. How is this possible? How can Google provide so many services for free? It doesn't charge us any money, but has still managed to become such a big company in the world. How is this possible? Let's understand the big business model of internet in this video. The Google search started in 1998 as a college project. Larry Page and Sergey Brin created it with a mission to organize all data of the world and make it accessible and useful for all people. During its initial days, Google was a simple search engine, like a simple website to search for things on internet. The word of Google does not mean anything special, but it is inspired from the word Google. Google is the name of a number. As we add two zeros after one, that is called 100. If we add 100 zeros after one, that is called Google. This was chosen to show people that there are a lot more information on this site. In 2000, the Google took his big step. They introduced the system of AdWords. It is now called Google Ads. Through this, people pay money for their businesses' ads to display on Google. After that, in 2004, they introduced Gmail. In 2005, they introduced Google Maps, which changed the world. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube, that you see videos on it right now. At first, YouTube was a separate company, but in 2006, Google bought it. After that, in 2008, Google introduced Android, and that is the mobile operating system that is in most people's phones right now. In the same year, Google launched its own web browser, Google Chrome, which is the most popular web browser in the world. Later, Google started making its own hardware products like Pixel smartphones, Chromebook laptops, and smart home devices. Today, Google is expanding in the artificial intelligence field as well. After that, Google produced more things that become successful, but there are some things that become failed after producing by Google, like Google Plus and other. Google tried to make its own social media platforms to compete with Facebook, but it failed. And Google produced some chat apps but shut down in 2022. Google Nexus tablets that were famous at the time, but after a while they failed. Google Glasses, Google Wave, Google Reader, these are the examples of failures of Google that failed after each other. If you go to Google Wikipedia, you will find out that there are more than 200 products of Google that failed after each other. And here is the big lesson for all of us, and that is failure is the mother of success. If you want to achieve real success, then you should not frighten from the failure. Now we should understand from which platform Google make more money. The answer is from Google Ads, Google Search Ads. On screen you can see the revenue breakdown of Google for the year 2022. That is where did Google earn its revenue in the year 2022. The total revenue is $280 billion, which $162 billion come from the ads shown with Google search, and the biggest second source of income of Google is Google network ads, different ads that you can see on different sites. that partner with Google. Google earned $32 billion, right? And from her third source of income, which is YouTube Ads, Google earned $29 billion. And the most important thing is that from YouTube Ads, from 100% profit, just 45% profit of YouTube is Google, and other 55% profit is going to the YouTube creators pocket. Next is Google Play Store. When an app creator sells your app through Google Play Store, from that 70% of revenue goes to the creator of the app and 30% goes to the Google. And similarly, Google make $26 billion from Google Cloud. Now here is a question: how Google pay all his services for free and still make a lot more money? Like searching on Google is free, using Gmail is free, watching videos on YouTube is free. How this is possible? The answer is simple. Here are two reasons. If you use the basic service of a lot more Google's product, then that is free. But if you want to use the premium service, then you need to pay little money. For example, Google Drive using is free, but its storage limit is 15 GB. If you need more than that, then you need to pay money. If you watch videos on YouTube, you will face sometimes ads. If you want to remove those ads, then you need to pay money to Google. Number 2 is data collection. Each videos we watch on YouTube, each email we send to someone, Google collect all of information about ourselves. It means that when we create an account on Google, Google collect all information about us, like about our age, about our gender, about our place of living, and a lot more. And they use this information for targeted advertising. It means that a person want to show his and her ads to the people who are between of age of 25 to 14, right? So Google use your personal data for targeted advertising, and they target you and they show all those ads to these target people. So through this way, Google make a lot more money. I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you all. Goodbye.